Hello, little friends. How are you all? Today we are going to learn shapes and the sounds of animals. Oh, where my shapes are going, where my animals are going. Let's see. We are going to learn with this amazing cute toy. So, this is a cute house toy with shapes and animal sounds. So, let's learn. So, with shapes, you are going to hear cute sounds of the animals. This is the first animal and first shape. Do you know which shape is this? This is a circle, and the circle goes round and round, which has no corners and it's round and round. This is a circle. Circle. Let's solve this cute puzzle toy. A cow. Let's fix it here. And do you know what the cow says? Cow says moo. Do you know what the cow says? Let's turn it on. Can you see this? How the cow is giving sound. Cow. This is cow, and this is the shape of circle. Circle. So let's do the next shape. So the next shape I have, can you see this? How cute is this? This is a triangle. A triangle. Can you see this? Triangle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 corners. Let's solve the puzzle. This is a triangle. Let's solve the puzzle. We will also learn the sound of the duck. Do you know what the duck says? Have you ever heard it outside? Yes. The duck says quack quack. And what the cow says? Moo moo. And the duck says quack quack. Let's do the next shape. So now I am holding a square. A square has 4 equal sides, 4 equal corners of the same length, and these 4 angles are 90 degrees each. So let's put it back here. And do you know which animal is this? Do you know which animal is this? This is a cat. What the cat says? The cat says meow. So this is a square and this is a cat, and the cat says meow. So now I am holding a very special shape. It's a very special kind of shape which is called a heart shape. 2 curvy sides that meet on the point. This is called heart. And do you know which animal is on the heart shape? This is a frog. And what the frog says? Let's press the button. What the frog is saying? This is a heart shape and this is a frog. Rabbit, rabbit. So we have done. This is frog, cat, cow, duck, and we have. So now I am holding a shape which is called hexagon. Hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners. Hexagon. This shape has 6 sides of equal length. Do you know which animal is this? Let's see. This is a dog. Dog. Yes, the cat says, the cow says, the duck says, and the frog says. Yes, we have done. How many shapes we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes we have done. Square, circle, triangle, heart, hexagon, hexagon. We have done. Let's play some music. Thank you for watching the video. Bye everyone.